If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more solutions and updates on your favorite streaming services. How to add Bally Sports to YouTube TV. Interested in enjoying your favorite sports event on Bally Sports via YouTube TV? While YouTube TV doesn't natively carry Bally Sports, there are still ways to watch. Let's explore how you can incorporate Bally Sports into your YouTube TV experience. First, it's essential to understand that Bally Sports networks aren't directly available on YouTube TV due to broadcast rights and distribution agreements. However, you can still access Bally Sports by employing a workaround. Option 1 is to subscribe to a separate streaming service that offers Bally Sports, such as and AMP, TTV, which includes Bally Sports in its channel lineup. Once subscribed, you can use the and AMP, TTV app on your smart TV or external streaming device to watch Bally Sports content. Another alternative is using a device like a Roku, Amazon Fire TV, or Apple TV. These devices allow you to download the Bally Sports app, which lets you stream games and sports events directly. All you need is a valid cable or satellite subscription that includes Bally Sports in its package. For those who are using YouTube TV on your computer or mobile devices, consider streaming Bally Sports content through an internet browser or by installing the Bally Sports app from your device's app store. Remember that these methods require a separate subscription or cable login. As content rights change frequently, always stay updated with your current provider's offerings.